I've been here working with the children at Swainswick Explorers as their blacksmith for about the past 6 years. Rachel and Edward asked me if I would set up a forge here after hearing about what we had done with children in other places, especially as touring blacksmiths and doing things like that. The things that we like about it here is that the children are enthusiastic, and we have them over a period of time. Some of them have been with us for 4 or 5 years. They get to know the routine of blacksmithing, and it gives them experience that they're not likely to get if they're at school or at home. As one mother said to us once, what I like is there's an element of risk, and they felt that this mother felt that the children were too coddled, too not really getting that exposure at school, as they don't seem to do the trades anymore. And some children are more hands-on than others, and we can soon pick that up after first few minutes of whether a child is hand-eye coordinated or not. But they all get roughly the same experience, and some will get a little bit more out of it than others. It's quite a pleasure to do it. It's tiring, more mentally than physically sometimes, because you have to concentrate all the time. You cannot take your eye off the ball. Even though you can tell some children not to go near it and it's very, very hot, they won't always remember that. So you have to remember it for them and keep an eye on them all the time.
Can you show us what you've been making with them?
Yeah, today we've made a lot of treble clefs. These were the ones that the children made for the Bath Iron project, and you will see a whole collection of these on top of the sphere, which is now on top of the bandstand in the Parade Gardens. So that is one of the things that they've made.
Right.
At Christmas, using different tooling and a much bigger hammer, they make little tea light holders.
Great, lovely. And oh, yes. The
first job in the forge, when they've never been in with us before, is they always make a small hook.
Lovely.
The reason why we use the small hook is because it has a lot of different skills in it, drawing down, twisting, forming up scrolls and forming a hook. So it has a lot in it.
And can you tell us, how often do you come to Swainswick?
We come to Swainswick once a month, and we usually do a normal session from Monday to Thursday with the after school activities.
Brilliant. And do you ever come in the summer holidays?
We've done special days in the summer holidays, but that can be a bit difficult for us, as we're often away. Summertime is also when the forging events are abroad. So
okay, so you're mainly here for after school club?
Mainly here for after school clubs, yeah.
Brilliant, thank you.
That's
lovely to see you, Robert, and looking so like a blacksmith with your anvil and the forge.
It took me hours to get my face dirty.
Thank you.